Xiong awakens to find himself in a vast Hmong metropolis set 200 years ahead in time. The skyline is dominated by towering, decaying edifices, while the streets below bustle with unfamiliar, cutting-edge technology. He is overwhelmed by confusion as he struggles to recall the events that led him to this bewildering place. Cao strolls through the deteriorating periphery of the city, a place where destitution and decay starkly contrast with the shining, cutting-edge downtown area. He catches fleeting glimpses of levitating vehicles and avant-garde architecture, yet in this neglected fringe, his surroundings consist solely of corroded machinery and crumbling streets. As Cao stumbles through the chaotic streets, he meets an enigmatic figure, Vang, a warrior who possesses mysterious energy powers. Vang offers to guide Cao through this new world, but with a warning: this city isn't as safe as it seems. Cao comes across the news of the annual competition, a prestigious event that attracts warriors and dreamers who vie for riches, fame, and the affection of Princess Yor. Captivated by legends of her extraordinary beauty and influence, Cao makes the bold decision to participate in the competition, with the hope of not only capturing her heart but also finding a means to escape the deteriorating city. The initial challenge occurs at the center of the bustling city. Participants are tasked with maneuvering through an advanced maze teeming with lifelike holographic illusions and intricate mechanical traps. Cao heavily relies on his instincts to guide him, yet as he delves further into the maze, he finds himself increasingly uncertain about distinguishing reality from illusion. At a grand public ceremony celebrating the unity of the Five Kingdoms, Cao's eyes lock onto Princess Yor for the first time. She stands elevated above the crowd, adorned in elegant, futuristic attire that accentuates her regal presence. Her beauty is undeniable, yet there's an ethereal quality to her demeanor, as if she exists in a realm beyond the tangible world around her. As Cao progresses through the competition, he delves into the murky underbelly of the city, where he encounters enigmatic supernatural beings. These creatures, possessing a blend of human and beastly features, are characterized by their glowing eyes and their ability to seamlessly navigate through the shadows, as if they are an integral part of the urban landscape. While journeying through the desolate periphery, Cao and Vang come across Xia, a skilled healer who has managed to endure by drawing upon age-old Hmong customs. She cautions Cao about the malevolent forces that exert control over the city and reveals that the nature of the competition is far more complex than it initially appears. As Cao advances through the challenges, he finds himself drawn to Princess Yor. Their brief exchanges uncover her yearning to break free from the luxurious yet restrictive confines of the palace. Despite the escalating dangers of the competition, Cao's affection for her only grows stronger. In the upcoming round, the participants are transported to a daunting arena where they are pitted against supernatural entities, ethereal apparitions that fade in and out of visibility. Cao's survival hinges on his ability to tap into his untapped inner strength, yet he is clueless about how to accomplish this daunting task. Vang, who was previously an ally of Cao, discloses that he is also vying for the princess's hand in marriage. As a result, their once unshakable bond of trust starts to fracture when they come to terms with the possibility of having to confront each other in the ultimate stages of the competition. The competition takes a sinister turn as the contestants are unexpectedly plunged into the depths of the city's forgotten underground. The eerie ambience is filled with the echoes of long-abandoned machines and ghostly whispers that seem to materialize out of thin air. Caught in this disorienting environment, Cao finds himself grappling with his own sanity as the lines between illusion and reality begin to blur. Cao faces the final trial, a confrontation with a terrifying creature that embodies all his fears. The creature is part shadow, part serpent, and it speaks in riddles, forcing Cao to confront his deepest insecurities before striking. In an astonishing turn of events, he underwent a transformation, emerging as a formidable robot and ultimately clinching victory in the tournament. In the Grand Palace, Cao stands face to face with Princess Yor, ready to declare his love. However, their intimate moment is shattered by the shocking revelation of a devious scheme. It turns out that the competition for the princess's affection has been manipulated, and she is not at liberty to choose her own partner. Now, Cao is faced with a difficult decision. Should he persist in his pursuit of the princess or relinquish his aspirations of winning her heart? During the final competition, Vang reveals his true ambitions by double-crossing Cao in a surprising turn of events. A fierce battle erupts between two former friends in the shadow of the city's tallest tower, while Princess Yor watches from above. Cao taps into an ancient power buried deep within him, a gift of his Hmong ancestors, enabling him to fight back against Vang and the city's dark forces. For the first time, he realizes his connection to the past may hold the key to his future. Cao discovers that the decaying city is controlled by an unseen force, a mysterious ruler who has been pulling the strings behind the competition. The ruler, who is neither fully human nor machine, has plans for Cao that go far beyond the competition. Princess Yor, now revealed to be a prisoner of the city's ruler, begs Cao to leave the competition and save himself. But Cao's feelings for her and his newfound sense of purpose drive him to keep fighting, even as the odds stack against him. In the final duel, Xiong, a young Hmong man, stands before the towering and ominous figure of the city's mysterious ruler. The futuristic city crumbles around them while Princess Yor watches in the background, her fate intertwined with Cao's. Cao must face both his deepest fears and the ruler in a battle that will decide the city's future and his own destiny. Cao finds himself on the brink of claiming the ultimate prize, a treasure that supposedly holds the key to power and love. However, in a shocking turn of events, he comes to the realization that the entire competition, the city, and even the princess may be nothing more than elements of an elaborate dream. Just as he extends his hand towards the prize, the illusion begins to crumble before his eyes. Tears. Cao wakes up beneath a sacred tree in his village, the memory of the futuristic city fading like a distant dream. But in his hand, he finds a small token, a symbol of Princess Yor. Was it all a dream, or did he truly glimpse a future yet to come?